costumes, dressed to impress. Mirror lights gleam, velvet dreams and sparkle beam. Neon walls shout glam on high, flash bulbs pop stars in their eye. Tea and pause, the truth unfolds. Pajamas rule when night gets old. From runway hearts to comfy zone, reality wins in every tone. Desk light glows, the screen's in sight. Formal smiles yet short so light. Mute clicks hung, the icons gleam. Half suit, half nap, they live the meme. Confetti falls, the carpet's bright. Tangled threads still steal the night. Pose with pride through twisted glow. Comedy walks the fashion show. Meme costumes, graffiti walls, sneakers shine. Shades on eyes, their swag divine. Mom's call rings a temple chime. Vested ties bring home the rhyme. White drapes swirl, a fashion test towel wraps up. They look their best, steam and style in one fine blend. Breakfast crowns the runway trend. Slow steps cue the heroes cheer. Confetti rain and spotlight face. Temple bells through morning haze. Tulasi breath and sandal praise. Crowds inch forth with steady line. Flowers sway in sacred sign. Men costumes, mirror gleam and trainer grind. Dreams of gains in every mind. Ladders call, the match transform. Breakfast beats the fitness norm. Cardboard brands and spotlight dreams. Towel scarves glow in marble gleam. Street lamps cast their sunset prose. Budget couture in striking pose. Style and laughter share 1-2 meme day tales beneath the moon. From glam to home, each frame aligns. Trendsetters dance through playful lines.
Hope you enjoyed my channel, Alfie Meow Diaries. Please subscribe, tap the bell, and share with friends and family. Exciting new videos are on the way.